Hello, I'm Kate from katescott.co, and in this brief tutorial I'm going to show you how to embed an inline ConvertKit form on your Squarespace website. So the first thing you want to do is log into your ConvertKit dashboard and click on Landing Pages and Forms up here at the top, and then click Create New. Select Form, select Inline, and then you're going to choose your template. So I'm going to use Charlotte just because it's my favorite form template, but you can choose whichever template that you want. And this will take you to a page where you can customize your form. So you can swap out the background image, you can change the form background color, you can change the border radius, which is the curvature of these edges here. So you can change this to 0 and it will become a perfect rectangle. You can also add custom CSS to your form. Now, if you're a Squarespace user, I actually recommend adding any custom CSS for your form to the CSS panel on your Squarespace website. And then when you embed your form, it will automatically apply. If you would like to learn how to do this, there is a tutorial that I created on how to write the code for this. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, check the description for a link to that tutorial. And if you're watching this video on my blog, there will be a link in the blog post. You can also customize the style on certain elements on the form. So for example, if I click on this button, you can see that the style settings for the button will come up, and you can swap out any of the content on the form, like so. If you select these settings here in the right-hand panel, you can show a success message that you can customize here, or you can redirect new subscribers to an external page on your website. So this is great if you want to redirect new subscribers to a custom thank you page or a Tripwire sales page if you're really building out your sales funnel, anything like that. If you click on the incentive email settings here, you can choose to send an incentive email to new subscribers. You can also choose to auto-confirm new subscribers, which I actually don't recommend because it can increase the amount of spam subscribers that you receive. Under advanced settings, you can choose to hide the form after someone subscribes if you don't want them to see it again. You can also enable reCAPTCHA, which again just cuts down on the number of spam subscribers that you get. Once you're done customizing your form, just click on the Embed tab up here at the top, and you're going to copy this JavaScript code right here. Go over to your Squarespace website and figure out where you want to put the form on your site. So I'm just going to embed it in this blog post here. Click on Edit. And then wherever you want to add the form, just add a code block. Remove the default code that's sitting in there, paste in your ConvertKit form code, and hit apply. And you can't see the form right now because script is always disabled when you're in edit mode, but when you load the site like a visitor would, it will show up just fine. Hit save, and you're all set. So you've just embedded your form on Squarespace.